going through some issues with the brakes dragging on the back of Wick's GTO. You'll see what happened here. So Wick and I were getting ready to set our e-brake and try it, but this thing was dragging pretty hard no matter what. So we got to looking, and our caliper bracket was rubbing on the inside of our rotor. You can see the little line. So we get to looking, and we call Willwood, and we check with the spacers and this, that, and the other, and it ends up this spacer right, you can see where the rotor was rubbing. But this spacer right here
ain't right.
They sent the wrong one in the kit. That one's what,
356.
356 and 48.
482 is
482.
What so it gives us another 1/8 inch, give or take, which should fix that little
rub
issue right there. And
yeah, it was rubbing right across the insert for the bolt.
We thought it was a tight rear, but man,
yeah, that was getting ridiculous.
pretty out of control.
But called Willwood. They're like, oh, that's the wrong one. That shouldn't have been in that kit. Well, that was the second try, though. The first guy sounded like he just wanted to...
Yeah, first guy just wanted to go home because it's Friday afternoon. But that guy was actually awesome. He's FedExing out 2 of them to us, so we'll have them on Tuesday. So we'll have another whack at it on Friday, but that should fix it up. That'll give us 1/8 inch clear. We should be good to go.
And that, we'll have our replacement master, so we'll be able to test our parking brake, which we need to probably adjust to maybe trim up the cable a little bit.
Yeah, I gotta trim our cable a little because I think our cable's a little bit too long, but that's easy. We got that down.
So
I'll bring a pair of climbs next week so we don't have to manhandle with a sissy pair of baby wire cutters.
yeah, that was fun. So we'll get that done next week. We'll get the brakes on and bled because we'll have our new replacement master. And all braking components should be done, hell, by lunchtime, I think, next week.
Yeah.
I hope I didn't jinx us, but
Nope.
we always can order lunch late if we have to.
True.
So, progress. Of course, we see next week. It'll be like 5 weeks ago by the time you guys see this, so. Oh well.